As our generation fights for sustainable development and reaches out for net zero goals, NPower Greentech leans into the carbon reduction challenge. The future of Greentech is now. A new energy industry is emerging, and it's fueled by battery innovation. Batteries will play a critical role in the transition to our green economy. So after more than 30 years of industrial development, lithium-ion technologies have been refining to a tipping point. We now are pioneering at the cusp of this post-lithium-ion battery era. And we are all in. The mission at NPower Greentech is to develop and deploy smarter power for a greener planet. Our global team of world-class leaders is transforming solid-state battery technology for future generations. Inspired by the late Nobel laureate John B. Goodenough, we do what people need, not what people want. At NPower Greentech, we prioritize innovation. Innovation is the driving force that fuels our future development. It's in our DNA. So how do we do this? By standing on a dual platform of technologies, both semi-solid and all-solid-state batteries. NPower Greentech batteries are differentiated by 4 core competencies, namely lithium metal anodes, super ionic conductor materials, interface nano coating, and advanced manufacturing processes. However, let's be honest, the existing material landscape presents real challenges. All lithium-ion battery producers have struggled to demonstrate high energy density, specifically exceeding 400 watts per kilogram, without compromising safety and cycle life. Our novel approach at NPower Greentech addresses this challenge by starting with a stabilized high-capacity lithium metal anode. In both the semi-solid and all-solid-state systems, we combine our anodes with advanced electrolyte layers. We use interface modifications to optimize mass production. These energy-dense batteries have passed third-party safety and long cycle life testing. That's because lithium metal makes an ideal anode. With its ultra-light weight and the low electrochemical potential, traits that are essential for negative electrodes to enable high cell voltages. This is connected to the safety and the cell cycle life. However, we all know that lithium metal has a sordid past with myriad issues that have hampered its commercialization. So in our quest for smarter power, NPower Greentech has iterated lithium metal protective layers, we've designed multi-level structures, and we can achieve uniform potential on that conductive ion lithium surface. This produces 2 significant benefits. First, by suppressing dendrite growth, and second, reducing lithium degeneration. So specifically, in our semi-solid state batteries, we've modified these cathode materials, separators, and the electrolytes to fit various application scenarios. We can do this while always ensuring high safety and high energy outputs. In working with them, we discovered that these same lithium metal protection strategies apply to advanced development for all solid state batteries. So in order to achieve a genuine all solid state battery breakthrough, commercial viability of the superionic conductors was a bottleneck. We had to resolve it by balancing this dualistic pressure, cost, and stability. Our engineers set out to develop highly stable superionic conductors for use as solid electrolytes. Solid electrolytes from element doping that produce unmatched ion conductivity. But most importantly for end users, we will produce all solid state batteries affordably. So in order to resolve the instability that these all solid state batteries may face between the cathode and the conductor, NPower Greentech has employed advanced coating techniques with introducing graded multiple layers on the cathode particle surfaces. These coating techniques not only ensure the contact between particles, but also significantly increase the effective content of cathode materials in the electrode. When you couple that with our lithium metal anode, we can achieve ultra-high energy density in all solid-state cells, and we expect them to exceed 400 watts per kilogram very soon. Now let's take a step back. Taking a step back, no matter if the discussion centers on semi-solid or all solid-state batteries, mass commercialization ultimately depends upon whether one can achieve advanced manufacturing processes. Well, today we are proud to share that N-Power Greentech has made these critical improvements in every process node. Process nodes like the ultra-thin lithium foil that balances cost with a high yield throughput. Another milestone that we'd like to highlight today is our commercialized high-altitude platform satellite. This pseudo-satellite, powered by a 3.5 amp-hour lithium metal pouch cell, recorded 450 watts per kilogram for over 400 cycles. Our cell passed all of the rigorous safety testing procedures that were required to operate HAPS at low temperature near vacuum stratospheric conditions. So once assembled as a battery pack, it produced 300 watts per kilogram and performed consistent to both ground level and stratospheric cell test. In our next phase of development, built on this platform, we can plan to release larger lithium metal cells from 12 amp hours up to 40 amp hours, with targeted energy densities exceeding 500 watts per kilogram. Finally, we're pleased to share that we have commercialized our semi-solid state batteries with the industrial drone sector. Our batteries provide a range of power type pouch cells. N-Power Greentech offers industrial drone cells with capacities ranging from 12 amp hours to 35 amp hours at energy densities reaching 330 watts per kilogram. These cells support rapid 2C charging, 5C continuous discharge, and they exhibit excellent cycle performance with over 800 cycles tested at zero pressure. Regarding conditions, these batteries excel in low temperatures. They retain over 70% capacity duration during continuous 1C discharge at negative 40 degrees centigrade. N-Power Greentech is driving industrialization, and it's based on real market demand. We do what people need. In 2023, we opened our first battery manufacturing center with advanced batteries based in Beijing. And we're opening additional global locations targeting 2024 operations in the USA and Asia. Progressively, in the next 3 to 5 years, N-Power Greentech will revolutionize the battery industry. We're going to introduce advanced post-lithium ion batteries into multiple markets to power electric vehicles, eVTOLs, energy storage, and more. The future of Greentech and the post-lithium ion battery era is now.